I believe so many of us notice what has been happening on CapCut editing app, which some of the features are now on pro version. Today, I'll be showing us how to use those pro versions without paying for it. Hi, welcome back. So today I'll be teaching us how to use CapCut Pro versions for free. Okay, but before we go into that, if today is your first time of seeing this face or meeting this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload any new video, you will get notified. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your loved ones to benefit from this hack. So, recent times, not only me, so many of us noticed that CapCut, some features we use in CapCut are now on pro version, which means we have to pay for these pictures before we can use them to edit our videos. And I noticed this new method have been bothering so many of us, hence decreasing the quality of our video editing skills. So today, I've got a new hack for all of us. Huh? Make sure you watch this video to the end so you will learn, practice, and also share for others to benefit, right? Let's go in there. All right, so head to your CapCut because it's CapCut you're making use of. Head to your CapCut, click on CapCut, click on new projects, then pick the particular video you want to work on. So I'm using this new video that I just made for this tutorial. Then this will surface. This is where you make use of all those pro versions, all those editing features that you've been eyeing or be eager to use. So this is where you make use of them. Okay, whatever pro features that you want to use, pick them and make use of them. Okay, whatever pro features that you wished or you like to use, this is the time to make use of it. Okay, so once you're done with that, don't click on export. It will not export. Yes, it will not export. So click on your screen record, then you play that video you've edited for it to record. You use screen record to record that video. Okay, is the screen record you're going to use to record that video. Don't worry about how it's going to come out. Just keep watching and you will see the magic. Okay, so once the screen recording is done, you head to your photos, click on that video you just recorded, you just screen recorded. Okay, then click on edit and click on crop. So you're going to crop out all the unnecessary things in that video. Okay, just see the way I'm doing it. I've cropped out all the necessary things and I click done, and this is your video. It's still the same thing, nothing is moving out of it. Okay, so that is just it.